from me how a smile, like mine, can change not only my own emotions, but also the emotions of every single one of you in this class. I'm going to talk about first how a smile on your face makes you happy, and two, how the same smile can make other people happy. First of all, how does the look on your face influence your ability to process emotions? Well, psychologists have a theory called the facial feedback hypothesis. It states that your emotions, your expressions. Can I start over? Okay. Makes sense.
Restart that section if it helps.
Okay. First of all, psychologists have a theory called the facial feedback hypothesis, and it states that your expression influences your emotion, your expression and your feelings interact. Oh my god, I don't remember anything.
If you remember the parts of your speech, you can move to your next section.
I'll move on to the second part then. Well, but I need to. Okay, so back to the facial feedback hypothesis. To find out to prove this theory, scientists use Botox. They use the toxins to deaden the muscles in the face that control frowning. Then they asked these participants to read statements that were either angry, sad, or happy. And they found that these people on Botox found it more difficult to read and understand sentences that were sad or angry, which suggests that the inability to scowl impairs your ability to feel emotions like sadness or anger. Also, recent research done at Lund University in Sweden found that activating certain muscles in your face that are connected to certain emotions can actually make your body react in a way that you feel like you're actually feeling the emotion. So for example, if you were to wrinkle your nose and narrow your eyes like that, then you would your body would release adrenaline and your heart rate would increase as if you were angry. And if you were to mimic a smile by putting up the corners of your mouth, then your body would release serotonin or dopamine and other feel-good indicators. Moving on to the second part, how my smile could make you smile. This is achieved by a process called mimicry, and this is when other people. Okay, an experiment done in Sweden recently found that they showed people facial expressions through photos or videos and monitored these people's facial muscles. And they found that these muscles reacted to and tried to mimic the face that they looked at. So basically, mimicry is when you look at a person's face and your facial muscles react unconsciously to mimic that person's face. So basically, when you look at a smiling person, your face maneuvers into a smile whether you like it that way or not. To summarize, I talked about how emotions are contagious. by first talking about facial feedback hypothesis, which is the theory that your facial expressions influence your emotions. And second, I talked about mimicry, which is when your face automatically mimics the facial expression that you're looking at. Thank you for listening.